Hi guys, they call me El Patron. How are you? And this is my trucks here. Take a look. We got endless, all kinds of truck that you need for your commercial needs. So whether you're a carpenter or whether you do commercial trucking, whether you want to bring some bodies or something, you know, it doesn't matter. We got it all. We got basically passenger vans, cargo vans. We can get you partitions. We can get you set up for whatever need that you want, whatever racks that you need on the vehicles, we can get them for you. Remember, we'll give you tire and wheel protection included in every van that you buy. Okay, regardless of what it is, it's included. So with the potholes and everything like that, you definitely need to buy the car from Brooklyn Mitsubishi and from me. So come on down to Brooklyn Mitsubishi, ask for El Patron, take a look at our commercial department. Okay, it is huge, guys. We started with like 60, 70. We got over 100 in stock, and we can get you any color you want for whatever company you need it for. All right, but you want to get it from Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and you want to get it from me, El Patron. The best deal in town. Take a look.